Ready to take your business to the next level? Creating a brand on Collabdiary is simple. Just head to your profile page, tap Switch Account, and you'll see the brand icon. At the bottom of this page, simply hit Add Brand to start your journey. Building your brand starts with a great first impression. In the Edit Profile screen, upload your logo and a striking cover image. This visual identity is the first thing influencers see when you reach out for a collab. Now, set your identity. Enter your brand name and a unique username. In Collabdiary, these combine into one professional handle, like Nike/Andari. Keep in mind, if you change either the name or the username, the entire handle updates across your profile instantly. Next, tell us where you are. Enter your brand location so local creators can find you. Then choose your mode, whether you're a digital-first online shop or a physical offline storefront. Collabdiary ensures your profile reflects your business model accurately. Let's talk business. To keep the marketplace high quality and professional, Collabdiary uses a simple bidding system. Every bid you place costs just 1 rupee. Keep your wallet recharged so you're always ready to pitch to the perfect partner. Now, categorize your business. Picking the right brand category is essential. It's how our system matches your brand with the influencers who specialize in your specific niche. Finally, set your deal types. Whether you prefer barter, paid, or unpaid collaborations, you define the terms. Hit update and your brand is officially ready for business. Your brand, your rules, one login. Build your empire with Collabdiary.